Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Preheat a large skillet to medium-high. Place 6 slices of bacon in the skillet and cook until just under crispy. Remove bacon from skillet and drain. Set aside. Add flour to grease, and whisk together. Add milk. Whisk together. Heat until bubbling. Meanwhile, crumble bacon. Serve over biscuits.
Take our lead.
In simple terms, a roux is equal parts cooked fat and flour. It's used to thicken soups, stews, and sauces, and in the South and particularly New Orleans, it's famously used in gumbo and étouffée. You can use any kind of cooking oil, butter, or bacon fat to make a roux.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Instructions. Add fat to skillet over medium heat. Once heated, whisk in flour combining with fat and continue to whisk, allowing it not to burn but to brown. Whisk in stock and allow it to continue to cook over medium heat to thicken for about 7 to 8 minutes. Season with salt and pepper and serve.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.